Hey y'all, this is your girl Nita and welcome back to my channel. As you can already tell by the title and the little clip at the beginning of the video, you already know your girl is making lunch today. I am making some yellow rice, crab cakes, and some veggies. So stay tuned and let's get this popping. So I got this before from Sam's Club. They already made crab cake, frozen. It's pretty good. It has everything added into it already, so you really don't need much. I do have a little bit of seasoning that I will add just for our own preference. We do like some spice around here, some paprika and some black pepper just to give it like amp it up a little bit. But other than that, guys, this is amazing. I always get it from Sam's Club. Like I said, they're so good. Also, I have this Spanish yellow rice. It has some peppers and some seasoning and all types of other spices added to it already. So I'm just gonna throw it in the rice cooker, add some butter and let it cook. And then I have some California blend veggies. I already put it in a pot right here. I'm not gonna add any water. I don't like to take out the nutrients from my veggies, so I'm going to just put it on really really low and cover it up and let the steam cook it. So I'm just gonna make lunch and you guys can make lunch with me. All right, so first thing first, so I have my air fryer. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm going to be using my air fryer to make the crab cake. So I'm gonna set this for bake. This is very annoying because you have to like press until you get to where you need to be. So I'm gonna go to bake and turn it on. So I believe that's like 320 and it's gonna be set for 30 minutes. And I'm just gonna let that heat up. So once it's done, I'm gonna pop in my crab cake in there and we're gonna see how that goes. Okay, so I have my veggies cooking on really low temperature. I have it on number 4. I'm just gonna let the steam cook it. I don't like to add water and then pour it out. That is the waste. So I'm just gonna let it cook at really low temperature. Maybe, matter of fact, I'm gonna move it to number 3 just so it can take its time to cook. Okay, so here's the rice. I have about I'll say maybe about like 2.5 cups of rice in here. I'm just going to add about 2 cups of water. And then I'm going to take maybe like a tablespoon. I don't want it, okay? Stir it up. Guys, while everything else is cooking, I'm just gonna add a little bit of some spices of my choice. Okay guys, so I just mixed up my seasoning into the crab cakes up here just to give it a little spice. But I'm still waiting on, oh, actually the air fryer is done heating up, so I'm just gonna throw this in there, okay? So guys, my rice is completely done. As you can see, I also have my veggies and then I have my crab cake. So I'm gonna plate it really quick and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm completely done plating my food. As you can see, everything is chilling on the plate. I have some pepper sauce sitting on top of the rice just in case you guys were wondering. I told you guys we love some spice in my household. But this is it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a very quick and easy meal to make while you're super busy or you just have a really long day. You know, pop those bad boys in the oven, in the rice cooker, in the pot, whatever you need to do. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.